This is a proposal on ecological urbanism, water and city, as a part of our Millennium Vision for Noida. Unlike all our historic settlements where water has played a very important role, Noida seems to have skipped the connection of water with the settlement of people. The hydrology of this whole area and the soil condition and the way this whole territory of Gautam Buddha Nagar functions is of a type wherein the formation of lakes, ponds, pools is rampant. There are significant areas like AV flora in Surajpur, like a lot of ponds and lakes throughout the villages in Dadri and Noida, and a lot of water channels that have been inundating this whole land. Despite having a lot of water, there is no connection, there are no ghats. Ponds and lakes have almost everywhere been encroached because of high land prices. They have been sold and resold and constructed to cater to a notion of development. People do not really have a great idea of development. In the last 30 years, Noida has crossed the first few stages of development with land building, road building, and development of sectors, development of different land uses. And the vocabulary of development is almost a good patchwork and a good composition. But now the master plan must aim at a better quality of life for the people of Noida. Whenever we think of a city or a place where we belong to, what do we remember? We remember its public places, its open spaces, its landscapes, its riverfronts, and its capability to engage memory by way of associating with all elements that are indispensable to the environment. In this new millennium, Noida, which has actually risen up to be a city noticed adequately in all international discussions, must rise up to the stage where there is a good association with water bodies, where the settlement is interspersed with green areas, as in the landscape plans of Chandigarh, and people can connect with water. People can reach to water. People can see water and associate with it. We must create places for the people. Now, in Noida, the Shahdra canal offers a very big opportunity. It is almost a 5-kilometer long stretch, which is as wide as 120 meters. And it runs throughout the city of Noida, crossing through the film city, the VIP sectors of 14 and 15, and then through Atta next to the Mall of India, and then goes ahead into the botanical area and further into the bird sanctuary and falls into the river Yamuna. This complete stretch, if developed properly, will serve as a green breather in the city. The area, if developed as a area for exhibitions, small melas, kiosks, and leisure, can boost economy through green. There are innumerable projects where canals and drains have been cleaned. Landscape can come to the aid. SLWM is a way, an efficient SLWM is a way in which we can actually clean this water and make it worthy of running through landscapes. Pisciculture, aquaculture, certain plant types, small waterfalls, wires being constructed in the path can all aid to the development of this whole process. We are in this proposal looking at the possibility of having a green area, developed green area, wherein people can use the banks of the Shahdra canal all along the commercial spine, which in a way indirectly boosts economy and also provides a place for the people of Noida. Barbecues, grills with lighting, shops, kinetic pavements, bicycle tracks, boating, kayaking, and areas for morning exercise are some of the uses that we have in mind. With the vision of the present CEO of Noida, we trust that such examples, which can be path-breaking examples and mind-changing examples of the way the world is looking at Noida, are possible. Thank you.